Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Fallout cookbook. Today we're making broccoli and mushroom casserole. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab 2 heads of broccoli and cut them in half. Almost forgot, actual first thing you're going to want to do is cook a cup and a half of rice. Once you have those 2 broccoli heads halved, you're going to put the 2 heads into a steamer basket over a pot with about 1 inch of water, and you're going to steam them for about 10 minutes. Now, while you wait for that to steam, you're going to prep your other vegetables, which includes chopping half a yellow onion, mincing 4 cloves of garlic, and chopping 10 shiitake mushrooms and 10 button mushrooms. Once your broccoli comes out of this is done steaming, you're going to chop it, just into like bite-sized pieces. Now, to finish up the prep, you're going to shred 1 cup fontina cheese and 1 cup mozzarella cheese. Now, in a large pan over medium heat, you're going to melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And you're going to add in your garlic and onions. And you're going to cook those until the onions have softened and become like transparent. Translucent, I guess. Once that happens, you're going to add in all your mushrooms, and you're going to cook those for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're tender. After that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of dried thyme, and 2 teaspoons of dried basil. And you're going to mix it until it's well incorporated. Then, you're going to add a cup of coconut milk and half a cup of vegetable broth, and it says whisk in, but there's kind of no reason to whisk it in. I did it anyway, but there's not really a reason to. Then, you add the broccoli, add the fontina cheese, mix it until it melts, and finally, add in your cooked rice. Last but not least, you're going to grab a 9x13 baking sheet, pan, or whatever, spread out the casserole mix, top with mozzarella cheese, and put in the oven at 425 for 18 minutes, until the cheese has turned golden brown. This was very good. I did highly enjoy it. If you don't like mushrooms, just skip this recipe. Like, it is very heavy on mushrooms, but very, very yummy. Would make again. My brother would hate me, but it was yummy. I'll give it like 7.5 out of 10.